Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by measuring baseline performance with a speed test on your device. Record download and upload Mbps and note latency in milliseconds. Next, reboot the modem and router by unplugging power for 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Test a wired Ethernet connection directly to the modem to compare speeds versus Wi-Fi performance. Check multiple devices to see if the issue is device-specific. Note any ISP outage alerts or scheduled maintenance messages from your provider. Place the router centrally in your home and elevate it about 3 feet for better coverage. Prefer a wired Ethernet cable for stationary devices when possible to avoid Wi-Fi variability. Switch compatible devices to the 5 GHz band for higher throughput at close range and keep older devices on 4 GHz for range. Update router firmware from the manufacturer to fix performance bugs and enable Co-S to prioritize video and work traffic. Change channels to reduce interference from neighbors and secure Wi-Fi with a strong. If local fixes fail, compare your measured Mbps to the advertised ISP plan speed. Perform a factory reset of the router after saving your configuration if you suspect corrupt settings. Replace modems or routers older than 4 years to avoid hardware bottlenecks and consider a DOCSIS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6 upgrade for sustained performance. Document times, speeds, and device tests before calling the ISP and request a technician visit if line issues persist. Use a mobile hotspot as a temporary backup if outages continue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.